Namaskar. Today we will study about circles of class 10th. Alright, circles we will try to finish off the chapter in maybe 20 minutes or something. So let us start. What circle is a collection of points. Circle is a collection of points where from the center, any point, anywhere it goes, it will be same, and that is called as radius. It's called as radius of a circle. Now, what is a tangent? Tangent is from any single point, a line drawn from the circle is called as tangent. This is a chord. What is a chord? And remaining things we will be studying in the next chapter area related to circles. So for now, that's all circle is. So circles, what is there in circles to be known? There are two theorems in circles that have to be known. So I will do both together parallelly. Theorem 1, Theorem 2. This is Theorem 1 and Theorem 2. Let me see Theorem 1. Let me read out to you the Theorem 1. Theorem 1 says that a tangent to a circle, कोई भी circle है, right? A tangent to the circle. A tangent to a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. Point of contact. What do you mean by point of contact? The point where the tangent and the circle meets is called as point of contact. The point where the tangent and the circle meets is called as point of contact. So I repeat the theorem again. The tangent to a circle is perpendicular to the radius through which the point of contact. So how do we prove? We prove it by taking an, we take a P, let it be A, B, let this point be O, I'll draw like this. I have to show that OP, to prove kya hai? OP is perpendicular to AB. Getting it? So I will construct now, construction. Please focus dear students, start writing. I will construct a line from here and name it as OQ and let that OQ line meet the circle. ये circle है ना, उसको मिलता है यहाँ पर, that is point R. So draw OQ to AB meeting at point R on circle. तो क्या मैं लिख सकता हूँ OQ को OR plus RQ लिख सकता है. But you know very well dear students, OR is the radius. Can I write OR? जो OR है, can I write it as OP? Yes, I can. So I write OQ is equal to OP plus RQ. समझ में आ रहा है? So I can easily write that OQ is greater than OP, right? And I can even write that OQ also greater than OR. First you should write OR, then you should write OP. क्योंकि हमें तो लेना है OR से पहले OR. But we saw that OR and OP are same, the radius. I spoke to you about the radius. What is the radius? So we get like this. So there's a saying that I will read out a sentence for you. The shortest distance from a point to the line is perpendicular. Is the perpendicular distance. So the shortest distance. So OP is the shortest. So what again I tell? The shortest distance from the point, right, to the line is perpendicular. So we will tell that OP is perpendicular to AB. Reason मैंने REASON. Reason is what? The shortest distance from a point to the line is always perpendicular. That's the first theorem. I hope you understood that. Now theorem 2 says what? I'll tell you in short what theorem 2 says. Take a circle, take an external point, suppose P or something, O है यहाँ पर. So draw two tangents. यहाँ पर है A, यहाँ पर है B. So we tell that PA is equal to PB. This is a theorem stating that from an external point of a circle, the tangents drawn at any 2 points is always equal. This is a theorem stating. This is how the theorem states. Second one. We will do the small derivation of that. So I will join this. I will join this. So हम पहले करेंगे construction. In construction we say that join OA, OB and OP. Now I'll take in triangle POA, देख रहा है ये ट्राइंगल ले रहा हूँ मैं, एक और ये ट्राइंगल. So POA and triangle POB. I know OA is equal to OB because both are radii. Now OP is equal to OP, common है, and OAP is equal to OPP. Both are 90 each. So we come up with right hypotenuse side congruency. The right hypotenuse side congruency, we tell that triangle POA is congruent to triangle POB, and we will tell that PA is equal to PB. How? CP. I hope you understood the two theorems. It was very nice. These are the two theorems. Both could be asked for the exam. Now, next question, dear students. We'll go to the questions now. Yeah, theorems are done. Question number 1 to you. A point P is 13 meters from the center of the circle. So circle hai, right? It is a point will take us O. A point P is there, which is 13 meters away from the circle. तो उसको P लेंगे हम, ठीक है? From the circle, the tangent drawn from P to the circle is 12 centimeters. The tangent is 12 centimeters. यहाँ पर एक बना देंगे, T बोलेंगे या A बोलेंगे, कुछ भी करेंगे. So now find the radius of the circle. They have asked to find the radius. तो radius क्या है आपका? Radius देखिए, radius क्या होगा? OT है हमारा radius. So we know that, right, OT is perpendicular to TP by theorem 1. ऐसा लिख रहा हूँ मैं theorem 1 को, right? तो ये 90 डिग्री है, तो पाइथागोरस थ्योरम apply Pythagorean theorem. So we know that this का hypotenuse OP square is equal to OT square plus TP square. OP square 13 square is equal to OT पता नहीं, ढूंढना है हमें OT square plus 12 square. तो 12 square किधर लेके आओ? 13 square minus 12 square is equal to OT square. 13 square है 169 minus 144 is equal to OT square. ये होगा 25 is equal to OT square. Root of 25 is OT. 5 is equal to your OT. तो 5 सेंटीमीटर में आएगा, ये भी लिखना भूलना मत. Because you see here it is centimeter, here also it is centimeter. That was the first question. We'll go to the second question. I hope you understood the first question. It was clean. Now the second question is, if दिया है question, if AB is equal to AC, then prove that BE is equal to EC. तो एक triangle लेता हूँ मैं, ABC. DFE. So we have to do this. Here what we will do is solution. Check. First we know that from external point theorem, that is theorem 2. From theorem 2, AD is equal to AF. This AD is equal to AF, you know, external point. So that is equation number 1. Then DB is equal to BE, equation number 2. Then EC is equal to FC, equation number 2. Now it's given. What is given to you? AB is equal to AC. AB is equal to AC is given to you. From there you have to find this. Can I minus AD from AD AC से निकाला तो नहीं होगा. So I think we can subtract AD, yeah, both sides. You both sides and subtract both sides by AD. तो अब AB minus AD, AC minus AD. सो अभी ए बी से ए डी निकल गया तो आपके पास रहेगा, देखिए पूरा ए बी है, उसमें से ए डी को निकाल दिया तो आपके पास बचा डी बी, राइट, इट इज डी बी. सो या ए सी से ए सी का है पूरा, इसमें तो ए डी नहीं है, बट आई नो दैट ए डी is equal to AF. AD is equal to AF. So instead of AD, I can put AF. So DB is equal to AC minus AF is FC. Again I am telling A से C देखो आप, उसमें से ये हटा दिया तो क्या बचा है? FC बचा है, तो लिख दे FC. So what is DB? DB is what? Your so this I got from equation. You can see from this three equations I am writing. So dB is equal to BE, तो मैं लिखेगा BE, और FC क्या है? FC is equal to EC. Hence proved. That was your first two questions. It was nice, I believe. We'll go to the next question. So I hope you understood this question. It was very easy. We'll go to the next question. That is the third question. A circle touches all the four sides of a quadrilateral. तो एक से एक circle बनाएंगे. This is touching all the four sides of the quadrilateral. Oh no. Yeah, fine. Like that something. Okay. We'll name that as A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D. To prove AB plus CD, AB plus CD is equal to BC plus DA. Right. Again, I repeat, if a circle touches all the four sides of a quadrilateral ABCD, prove that this thing. So I take the points over here P, Q, R, S. So let the circle touches P, Q, R, S in the of the quadrilateral Okay. So I apply theorem 2. T2 theorem 2. So अभी देखो theorem 2 में one more thing I will tell you where you will go wrong. Most of the students go wrong. So first I'll take AP. AP is equal to AS लिख दिया मैंने. अब directly DS is equal to DR. ऐसा नहीं करना है. You have to understand what do you want. You want AB full. So next I will take PB. According to that I will take PB is equal to BQ. नहीं तो आपको टाइम बहुत जाएगा यहाँ पर. So understood now AP plus PB, I know very well it is AB. So this is done. AS plus BQ. AS is where? Here. BQ is here. Now I should write something called CQ. So I can write over here CQ. CQ will be equal to RS. थोड़ा देखना diagram को, you should little see and do that. And then what do we get? CQ is done. CQ plus BQ or the AS plus DS चाहिए. DS by DR. Okay, now I have 1, 2, 3, 4 equation. I'll just add up RS before adding up. I'll just see. No, this is not RS. CQ by RC, right? CQ by RC. So now when I add up, so I'll check that down. I'll add all. Add 1, 2, 3, 4. So AP plus PB is equal to sorry plus RC plus DR is equal to AS plus BQ plus CQ plus DS. So AS plus PB. So AP plus PB is your AB. So I will write here AB. अब RC plus DR है DC या CD is equal to AS plus BQ. AS plus not BQ. AS plus DS. ये वाला लेना है. समझ में आ रहा है? It doesn't matter. It should come nearby, but it should come in the other side. LHS and RHS. So it will become your AD. और ये दोनों मिलाकर आपको बनेगा CD या BC. That's all. So I said you that here you have to be very careful. यहाँ पर बहुत careful होना चाहिए. Right. That's all the question. I hope you understood this question. Similar pattern we will study the next question. That's the fourth question for you. If all the sides of the parallelogram touches a circle, now it's a parallelogram. तो एक circle है, एक suppose it touches. Right. Suppose it's a parallelogram. I'll take it as AB, CD, same P, Q, R, S. Right. Then show it as a rhombus. To show A, B, C, D is a rhombus. अब ये दिखाने के लिए till here the same thing you have to stick, right? Because you know in parallelogram we know that AB is equal to DC and AD is equal to DC. सही है, opposite sides are equal, we know very well in parallelogram. So what we will do is the same thing I will be writing down. So again let it touch the sides PQ, RS. I'm not writing. You should write entire thing the same. I'll just write out other parts. So apply theorem 2. So directly you know AP is equal to AS, DB is equal to BQ, RC is equal to CQ, and DR is equal to DS. Right? Then you have to add all this. Add 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. चारों को add करता हूँ मैं. So I will get your AP plus PB plus RC plus DR is equal to AS plus BQ plus CQ plus DS. अब पूरा करने के बाद we will get AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC. तो यहाँ तक आ गया, सेम थिंग आ गया. अब मुझे पता है AB is equal to ये we know. So what I can do? I can add AB. इसको भी AB लिख सकता हूँ मैं, कोई बात नहीं. और ये AD is equal to BC, तो AD plus AD. ये AD है, ये तो कहीं नहीं है. AD is equal to AD. So can I write 2 times AD? AB is equal to 2 times AD. So 2 to cancel. AB is equal to AD. Similarly, I can even write that your AB is equal to AD हो गया. AB is equal to AD. वैसे ही BC is equal to BC. Then ABCD is a rhombus. I hope you understood the two questions how it was. So here same like this, then you apply your parallelogram property, that is opposite sides are equal, and get the answer done. That's all. So that was the two nice questions. Now we will go to the fifth question. I hope you are writing the answers. I wrote the answers over here in this question till here, so that you understand that you have to write all the steps. This will come for 3 marks or something, so you need to know how it has been done. We'll go to the fifth question. There are two concentric circles. What do you mean by concentric circle? ये याद रखो, concentric मतलब एक के बाद दूसरा, इसको बोलते हैं concentric. So two concentric circles are of radii 5 and 3. तो इसका यहाँ से रेडिया है 5 सेंटीमीटर और इसका यहाँ से यहाँ रेडिया है 3 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, फाइंड द लेंथ ऑफ. हाउ डू वी अंडरस्टैंड? तो बड़ा वाला बड़ा रेडियस होगा, छोटा वाला छोटा. सो फाइंड द लेंथ ऑफ द कॉर्ड ऑफ लार्जर सर्कल विच टचेस द स्मॉलर सर्कल. तो यहाँ से कॉर्ड जा रहा है ऑफ द लार्जर सर्कल का है which touches the smaller circle. So I'll name it as A, B, C. All right, and I will draw a line like this. Here I'll put this P, and I get my answer. Not a big deal for me. So I know. So what to find? अभी समझ में आया होगा आपको क्या करना है. तो रिवाइंड करके देखिए क्या बोला मैंने अभी। तो मुझे पता है PC कितना है, 3 सेंटीमीटर है, राइट। एंड लेट नो नो नो, ये टू फाइंड लिखा है, टू फाइंड AB है, राइट। दैट इज द डिस्टेंस ऑफ कॉर्ड, डिस्टेंस ऑफ कॉर्ड। समझ में आ रहा है आपको, आई बिलीव। सो आई नाउ व्हाट आई डू इज लेट अस टेक ट्राइंगल PCB। यहाँ पर आपको PC दिया है 3 सेंटीमीटर, PB क्या है, PB क्या होगा, ये तो बड़ा सर्कल का रेडियस है जो है 5 सेंटीमीटर। हमें ढूंढना है CB बताना। तो अप्लाई पाइथागोरस। हाउ डू वी अंडरस्टैंड टू अप्लाई पाइथागोरन? बिकॉज यू नो बाय थियोरम 2, वी नो फ्रॉम थियोरम 2 दैट एंगल C इज 90 डिग्री, क्योंकि वो एक टैंजेंट है, वो टैंजेंट का पॉइंट ऑफ कांटेक्ट एक सर्कल में है, तो वो थियरम 1 को फॉलो करता है। सो व्हाट वी डू इज PB स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू PC स्क्वायर प्लस BC स्क्वायर। तो PB स्क्वायर कितना है हमारा, PB है 5 का स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू PC 3 का स्क्वायर प्लस BC का स्क्वायर। तो 3 का स्क्वायर आएगा 25 माइनस 3 स्क्वायर 9 इज इक्वल टू BC स्क्वायर। तो आएगा 16 इज इक्वल टू BC स्क्वायर। होल रूट ऑफ 16 इज इक्वल टू BC, तो आएगा 4 इज इक्वल टू BC। 4 सेंटीमीटर बोलना नहीं। तो अगर ये 4 है तो AB विल बी 2 times of BC, so it is 2 times of 4, that is 8 सेंटीमीटर। So I hope you understood टू कॉन्सेंट्रिक सर्कल के बारे में पढ़ाया गया है, और उसका ये पहले ये लेंथ ढूंढना है, उसके बाद ये पूरा कितना होगा, डबल होगा, क्योंकि ये हाफ इट विल बी, राइट। सो आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड हाउ टू डू दिस क्वेश्चन। 6th question, a circle touches the sides of a quadrilateral का sides को टच करता है, राइट। A B C D P Q R S respectively. Show that the angle subtended at the center by a pair of opposite sides is supplementary. So देखिए we have to and explain what to do. So हमें दिखाना है to prove, but I will explain you what to do. Show that the angle subtended at the center of a pair of opposite sides of angles A और A. So should write A, यहाँ पर O बोलता हूँ मैं, AOB plus COD is equal to 180. फिर COD plus AOD is equal to 180. ये दोनों दिखाना है मुझे, right? This both have to be done. So now by construction, I will do a construction. Now please be attentive over here. I'll join this. I'll join OP, OQ, OR, OS. इनको मैं join किया, right? Now I know that if suppose in a triangle, देखो ये circle है, ये दोनों angle equal है, right? Suppose here, you know this and this is equal. Can I also take the angle between them also is equal? So I take the angle as angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6, angle 7, angle 8. Correct? So we will take each angle in this scenario, and I will tell that this angles. I'll read out a sentence. Please listen. Since the two tangents are drawn from the external point of a circle, they subtend equal angle also, just like an isosceles triangle having two sides equal, so their adjacent angles are also equal. So can I write angle 1 is equal to angle 2, angle 3 is equal to angle 4, angle 5 is equal to angle 6, and angle 7 is equal to angle 8. This I got to know. Right now I know in a circle, all sum of all angles is 360. You know पूरा 360 घूमता है वो. So I can write angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 6, 7 और एंगल 8 है 360 डिग्री। तो ये होगा 2 टाइम्स एंगल 1 लिख सकता हूँ मैं, राइट। 2 टाइम्स एंगल 1 प्लस 2 टाइम्स एंगल 3 प्लस 2 टाइम्स एंगल 5 प्लस 2 टाइम्स एंगल 7 इज इक्वल टू 360 डिग्री, राइट। 2 को कॉमन लेता हूँ मैं, तो एंगल 1 प्लस एंगल 2 प्लस एंगल 3 प्लस एंगल 5 प्लस एंगल 7, ये सब कुछ मिला के मुझे 360 आएगा। ये 2 उधर जाएगा, सो आई कैन राइट एंगल 1 प्लस 3 instead of that we will write, and instead of 3 we will write 4. 4 can't be written. I'll tell you what has happened. I need 2 consecutive angles. So taking 1 and 4, 1 is over here, 4 is over here, it won't work. So let me take it, this both as 2, angle 2. I hope you understood where we went wrong. And we'll take 2 and 3, either 3 radian. Got it? After that, that is this angle I got. So similarly we can take 5 and 6. 5 and 6, 6 and 7. So here instead of 5, I'll take 6. And here it is same, 7 and 6. So here 2 will go that side. So angle 2 plus 3. What is angle 2 plus 3? It is POQ. Correct? It is 2 plus 3 is POQ. Or else we can just keep it in such same way. A, B, C. Yeah. This is one other way. Or we can write angle 1 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle H is equal to 360. तो ये तो दोनों जाएगा तो 180 बनेगा। ये first case we took it 2, then second case we took it in different form. Getting it? So we have to all this. So we will club this both and this both, and here next we have 1 and 4, 1, 4, 5. So first I'll club 1 and 8 and 4 and 5, because 1 and 8 gives me here 1 and 8 gives me this angle, and 4 and 5 gives me this angle. So I can simply 2 I'll take that side. So 2 and 3, 2 plus 3 gives me POQ, right? POQ I will get, but 2 and 3 gets you POQ plus. तो ये 2 का आ गया, 2 divides by 360. 6 and 7 gives you ROS is equal to 180 डिग्री। ये होगा पहला। फिर 1 में अभी इसमें भी 2 उधर जाएगा, 360 divided by 2, 180. 1 plus 8 होगा POS plus 4 plus 5 gives you QOR or ROQ. That is also 180 degree, and that's your answer. But we wrote over here this way. It is not necessary. They have not mentioned the question. They just said a pair of opposite angles. So we can erase this, right? So why we did not get the desired value? Because our angle marking was different. So we can write POQ and ROS, POS and ROQ. I hope you understand how did we distribute all the things and get the answer for this. So this one is the important thing. Sum of all circles is 360 degree. You need to know that. And yeah, to prove whatever, it is not necessary. In majority of book it is angle 1 plus angle 2 or something like that. We'll go to the next question. The next question, I'll draw I think the question number 7 it is. We have 2 lines. We have a circle between them. We draw one line, right? And I think it is, we have a line like this. How is the diagram? Yeah. and we have POQ, A, B, C, XY, X dash, Y dash. So this is a question, right? In this question, I'll write you XY and X dash Y are two parallel tangents. This both are two parallel tangents to a circle with center O, and another tangent AB with a point of contact at C. Here, this is a point of contact intersecting at XY at A and X dash Y at B. A and B and XY. Measure A or B to find A or B. So I'll initially tell you what to do in this question. Here it's very simple. I'll join this. I'll do a construction. In this construction part, I'll take these two triangles first. Triangle 1, triangle 2. I'll prove it congruent. By simplicity, I will write something. I'll write that this is equal to this. Then I'll do this two congruent. I'll write this is equal to this. Then I know a line. A line angle is 180 degree. A line is 180 degree, right? A complete 180 degree. So I will do. I get the answer according to that. So construction, join OC. Join OC. Like how I said, join OC. Now in triangle POA and triangle OAC. POA and OAC. I know what and all is equal. PA is equal to AC. Why? You know your theorem 2. Right? And OA is equal to OA. Common है. Right? Then I know OP is equal to OC, radii. So by SSS, triangle POA is congruent to triangle OAC. O it is OAC. Therefore, I can write POA is equal to AOC. CPCG. So similarly, there is similarly, I can write in triangle. See, dear students, I hope you can see in triangle QOB and triangle BOC. The same thing goes. OQ is equal to OC, OB is equal to OB, and your BQ is equal to CQ, BC. So what about this both? It is radii, this is common, and this is theorem 2. So by SSS, if it comes to 5 marks, you have to write all this, right? Or else I could have just written similarly and done that. Triangle OQOB is congruent to triangle BOC, and by CPCT I can write QOB by CPCT angle QOB. I hope it is visible. QOB is equal to BOC. This is equation number 2. This is equation number 1. Now we know that all the angles, as I said, in a line, all the angles are line. Sum of angles is 180 degree. So I will write POA angle plus OAC plus BOC plus QOB is equal to 180 degree. But I know very well POA and this both are equal. So 2 times angle POA, right? 2 times angle AOC, not POA, AOC, because I want the interior AOC. AOC, I need AOB, right? AOC plus 2 times angle BOC is equal to 180 degree. From 1 and 2. एक और 2 से मुझे पता है दोनों इक्वल है. So 2 times AOC plus angle BOC, यहाँ पर भी angle है, is equal to 180 degree. 2 will go that side. This both addition will you get it as AOB. देखो ये angle और ये एंगल मिलने से आपको AO भी मिलेगा 180/2 that is 90 degree. That's how you do this question, right? It was very clear. I hope you understood. It is very important. So we'll do the last question. There is one more question that has to be done, but that I will do in another video where I'll be discussing about the important questions. I mean, even this are the important questions, but that question could be done. That's a big fat question, right? See, here a circle is inscribed in a triangle ABC. A triangle ABC, इसका एक oh shit, yeah. Right, ABC is a ABC. Here F, E, B. Here it is X, Y, Z. This is given in the question. Z. This is Z. A circle is inscribed in a triangle ABC having sides. It is AB. Entire AB is given to you as 8. Okay. AB is 8. Then this is 10. And this is 12. It is given to you. Look at the question. You have to find AD. Your XYZ you have to find. That's it, nothing else. I will write here to find. Now this is the seventh question. To find AD, BE and CF. AD, BE and CF. अब देखो क्या करना है इस क्वेश्चन में. We know that what is given. Given क्या है? AB is given to you, BC and AC. ये क्या है? 8 सेंटीमीटर है, 10 सेंटीमीटर है और 12 सेंटीमीटर ये दिया है. अब मुझे what is AB dear students? AB is what? X plus Y, right? AB can I write it as AD plus अभी AB होगा AD plus BB is equal to 8 सेंटीमीटर जो है X plus Y is equal to 8 सेंटीमीटर. ठीक है. I'll mark it as equation number 1. Similarly ये क्या है होगा आपका BC. BC क्या है? BC यहाँ पर है तो BC को क्या मैं लिख सकता हूँ? BE plus BC is equal to 10 सेंटीमीटर. Y plus Z is equal to 10 सेंटीमीटर. इक्वेशन 2 लिखता हूँ इसका. और ये तीसरा का AC जो है वो AF plus FC है. AF plus FC है जो है 12 सेंटीमीटर. That is X plus Z. X plus Z is equal to 12 centimeter. Equation 3. Understood what I did starting? Now what I'll do is I'll just add all this. Add 1, 2 and 3. So you have X plus Y, Y plus Z, X plus Z is equal to 8 plus 10 plus 12. Please concentrate here, everyone. So X plus X is 2X, 2Y, 2Z is equal to 20, 20, 30. So 2 I can take common. X plus Y plus Z is equal to 30. X plus Y plus Z 2 उधर जाएगा 30 divided by 2 is 50. ये आपका एक बड़ा big fat equation हो गया. Now we will easily find out X, Y, Z. What I'll do is इसमें इस equation से हमें क्या लिख सकते हैं? Y को मैं लिख सकता हूँ 8 minus x. सही है. और इस इक्वेशन से z को क्या लिख सकता हूँ मैं? 12 minus x. तो ये मैं क्यों कर रहा हूँ? क्योंकि मैं ये y और z का जगह में x में डालेगा and I'll get the value of x. Then the x I can put over here and I can get the value of y and z. That's all. The answer is there. So what you will get? X plus y क्या है? 8 minus x. देखिए 8 minus x लिखा है. Right, उधर क्या है? 12 minus z क्या है? 12 minus x is equal to 50. So x गया 12 to 20 हो गया. 20 minus x is equal to 15. तो minus x is equal to 15 से minus 20 गया. Minus x is equal to minus 5. X is equal to 5. X is equal to 5. I hope you understood. Now when x is equal to 5, your y is equal to 8 minus 5. So y will be your 3. And your z will be 12 minus 5. That is 7. Z is 7. Correct? So x, y, z you got. Now what you have to find? AD. AD क्या है? AD x है. X क्या है? 5 है. Done. और BE. BE क्या है? CF क्या है? BE is your y. Y is what? 3. Over. And CF is what? CF is your Z. Z is 7 centimeters. Centimeters. And that's all. I was surprised to see this question because it is very good question that is not available in your textbook. These questions have been picked from some of the reference book that we selectively selected. And thank you for all cooperatively watching this video. I wish you all the best for your circles. Please do practice all the questions. Thank you.